Hi everybody, Ashley here. Welcome back. I told you earlier I was going to start growing two different crystal kits, one with National Geographic, one with 4M, and I'm just going to show you very fast what I've set up. I'm not going to try to show you the filming of trying to mix everything because that could take a while. But let me just give you a quick idea here. You're going to need 16-ounce glasses or some sort of clear jars. For this, you're going to need a mixing bowl, and dear God, clean the crap out of your jars and your mixing bowls. You need a steel pan of some sorts, a pot for hot water that's not going to melt. Make sure same with your mixing cup, it's glass. These are the materials that are coming with the National Geographic. This is all National Geographic right here. There's also a light base that I've already put up because it's not going to be needed for a couple weeks. These do tend to take a while to grow, but you'll have to monitor them very, very closely. Also highly recommends goggles, so I grabbed my husband's lab goggles. Sorry, hun. And then this small little piece here is the one for 4M. It's not much. It's a smaller kit, so it's expected, but still. Seemed a lot easier with just even mixing for one mineral than the National Geographic one is for several, even if they're just one at a time. But it still overall seemed pretty cool. The biggest things, of course, is we had to pick an area where the temperature could stay at least 68 degrees and above, and also because the reasons why, it helps with the growing process and getting the water to evaporate in the first couple of days alone. The faster it evaporates and the temperature stays warmer, the faster it will grow, and also the larger it gets as well. And so, of course, remember the first couple of days, try to check every few hours if you can, and then afterwards it can be good for just, a couple of days. And we'll try to make sure to take a picture every day for you of the growth. We're going to store them in our sunroom. And the one other thing to remember, after you're done mixing, you need to really, really clean your counters extremely well because these do use some slightly poisonous chemicals here. So just keep this in mind. If your child is doing this project, I highly recommend adult supervision. It stressed it a lot throughout the instructions. So just keep this in mind as well of, some type of jars you may not want to keep or ones, you're willing to use for this, and just clean extremely well. So now that you guys have seen a very good scan of this, I'm going to go get this project started. And then once I transfer it to the other room, I will then, of course, take a picture of how it'll look set up, and then you'll have pictures coming later. So until next time, guys, thank you, and I will see you later for our growth project.